This 2027 Winnebago Sunflyer 22 rupees is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, smoke detector, leveling jacks, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, LP detector, awning, TV, skylight, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2027 Winnebago Sunflyer 22 rupees is built on a Ford E350 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.